Hi guys, welcome to Home Sketch. In this video, I am going to share with you a 31 by 50 east facing house plan with single bedroom and inside courtyard. Actually, the east and west is 31 feet, the north and south is 50 feet. So the overall plot area is 1550 square feet. The client requirement was one car parking area, one garden area, one living area and kitchen with storeroom, one small puja room, one single bedroom with attached toilet and one common toilet and one office room and inside the staircase and inside courtyard. Okay, let's come into the video. But before, if you watching our channel in first time, kindly do subscribe and watch. Okay, let's come. Actually, this is the overall floor plan of this house. In front, the east direction, we provide the main gate. In front side of the house, we provide the one car parking area. The car parking area measurement is 13 feet 3 inch by 16 feet. We can park up to 2 number of cars in this place. On the southeast corner, we provide the one small garden area. The garden area measurement is 16 feet 8 inch by 8 feet 6 inch. And we provide the main door in this place. As per the Vastu, the northeast corner of the plot, we provide the one small puja room. The puja room measurement is 6 feet 9 inch by 4 feet 9 inch. On the southeast corner of the plot, we provide the kitchen room with attached storeroom. The kitchen room measurement is 10 feet 3 inch by 11 feet 6 inch. And the attached storeroom will come this corner. That storeroom measurement is 5 feet by 11 feet 6 inch. On the center of the plot, we provide the one living area. The living area measurement is 22 feet 5 inch by 16 feet. On the south side of the living area, we provide the staircase. The staircase direction towards south to north. In this living area, TV unit will come this wall and sofa unit will come this corner and dining table will come near the staircase. And under the staircase in this place, we provide the one common toilet. The common toilet measurement is 6 feet by 4 feet 6 inch. On the southwest corner of the plot, we provide the bedroom with attached toilet. The bedroom measurement is 11 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 6 inch. In this bedroom, bed will come this direction and dressing wardrobe will come this corner. And we provide the attached toilet for this bedroom in northeast corner. The attached toilet measurement is 4 feet by 8 feet 2 inch. On northwest corner of that plot, we planned the one small office area. The office area measurement is 8 feet 6 inch by 8 feet 2 inch. In this office area, working table will come this corner. On north side of the plot, we provide the one courtyard. The courtyard measurement is 6 feet 9 inch by 11 feet 6 inch. Back side of the office area, we provide the small passage to enter the courtyard. In west side, we provide the 3 feet passage and north side, we provide the 4 feet 6 inch wide passage. We can enter this courtyard by this way. So totally this is the overall floor plan of this house. This is the overall 3D floor plan of this house. Okay, the total plot area is 1550 square feet, but the build-up area is 1300 square feet. So the approximate budget is 26 to 31 lakhs will come. Okay, if any one of your friends or relatives need this type of house plan, kindly share to them. Or if you need any other type of house plan, kindly contact us. Thanks for watching.